Hi guys, it's Jodie from Homepeel. Hope you're having a great day. Welcome to 2023. I'm pretty excited about this year. It's going to be amazing. Okay, so I just wanted to quickly share something that I've been doing for the last couple of weeks, and I thought I would just share it with you because it's a pretty cool tip. So I've been finding at the moment that my skin doesn't want to have too much of the Miracle Lactic Acid cream. So basically what I'm saying is this is a very powerful cream. It's got lactic acid in it and it makes your skin glow and thrive, and it's amazing. But if you overuse it at all in any way, the skin will start to go a little bit dry and flaky. And this is all about learning to read your skin, and that's why we offer so much support here at Homepeel, so that you can make these decisions for yourself. So basically, when people buy this, just on a side note, they usually only use it 2 or 3 times a week at first. And then after that, they'll try and up it. And then they'll just sort of read their skin and find out how often their skin wants to tolerate using it. Okay, so for me at the moment, my skin doesn't want it every day. But what I've been doing instead is in the morning, I've been doing like a tiny little half squirt like that. And then I've been putting in a full squirt of the moisturizing peptide cream, which is just a miracle in a bottle. It makes my skin feel like velvet. I sort of smash them together like this, and then just put it on. So this is the morning routine for me. So I've just gotten out of the shower and I thought I'd quickly chuck a dress on and do this video because I was about to do it anyway, and I thought, why not record it and share it? Okay, so there you go. So another thing that I noticed this morning I thought I would share with everybody is that cosmeceutical grade skincare is very active. And that means that it does weird things to your skin. So it's going to look beautiful all the time, but sometimes it's going to feel a little bit dry. And that's because it's very active. So it's always working on the skin's cell turnover. So the exfoliation and the cleansing strategy is key to making sure that you complement your cosmeceutical grade skincare. That's why we have the enzyme cleansing kit. So I'm not going to go into it all right now. I don't even have it next to me actually, but have a look on the website. It's perfectly designed to go with cosmeceutical grade skincare. So as you all know, I'm having my 50th birthday this month. So we're going to be doing a lot of exciting things at Homepeel. So stay tuned for that. As you know, I do all of my videos without any makeup on. Some people don't believe that because I've got tattooed eyebrows and eyelash extensions. So yes, I do have those, but when I say no makeup, I mean no foundation. Okay, so as you know, we have skincare coaches here to help. If you need any assistance, please email us at skincarecoach@homepeel.com.au and we will help you get to the skin of your dreams. Have a great day.